Well, I said that I wasn't going to post any more videos or write any new songs. Well, desperate times call for desperate measures, I would say. So, here it is.
This is
The lyrical mad scientist, the god of rap pop, the king of Palm Beach County, conquered a quake. How do you like someone that doesn't feel the same way? I just never understood it. Oh well, life goes on. I'm running through my head just the thought of you and me. I wonder what it's like, guess I'm never gonna see. And I can say some things that we're probably gonna be. I see you with the guy, now I'm feeling jealousy. God, I really like this girl, but she don't feel the same. God, I really like this girl, but she don't feel the same. Yeah, I really like her, but she don't feel the same. Yeah, she know my name, so my feelings I contain. She's seeing lots of guys, so it's harder every day. To her, I'm like a ghost, fuck stepping up my game. Every time I talk to her, she treat me like a friend. Another guy will talk to her, she taking him to bed. Thought I had her figured out, completely misled. I don't get a chance at her, cause Cupid missed again. I know she knowing how I feel, I mentioned a couple times. Then I go and see her and she see me passing by, building up the courage, saying, boy, don't even try. Her voice is like an angel while she's singing lullabies. Sending her some texts and never checked the message. Maybe she ain't get it yet, I'm always second guessing. I think she really precious, a gift of Christmas presents. I'm acting like a college kid, I wanna get acceptance. I'm running through my head, just the thought of you and me. I wonder what it's like, guess I'm never gonna see. And I could say some things that we probably gonna be. I see you with the guy, now I'm feeling jealousy. God, I really like this girl, but she don't feel the same. God, I really like this girl, but she don't feel the same. Every time I think about it, I always think the worst. That be just in case any feelings getting hurt. The pain I'm feeling deep inside my heart is getting murked. Wanna ring her up like I'm a jury store clerk. Wish I scoped it out before the swimming diving in. Diving head first while I'm off the shallow end. My brain is stuck in agony and feelings kinda cringe. I'll make it come to life even though it's just pretend. I'm going on your Facebook and comment what was on. I know you see the message but you never will respond. You're a slam dunk, you can say I'm like LeBron. I'm guessing that's a hint while you're leading me along. I follow like a puppy dog, I'm like a little pet. And when you turn me down it's like I'm going to the vet. Admitting that I like you, won't admit that I'm obsessed. I put my heart in paper cups, I hate to get rejected. I think we're meant to be, think I found my soulmate. You date a random guy, one more time, you must be late. I'll put it on the table while we settle our debate. I won't forget the date, won't forget your great escape. I really wish it could be her, I'm praying that it happens. I'm running game on other girls, trying to get in practice. Saying what I say to you, but say it with the passion. Confusion with my words, cause they're louder than my actions. So how do I explain to you exactly how I feel? Words can't express, cause my love for you is real. We're doing this again like a circle or a wheel. I love you, you don't feel the same, you got my heart concealed. I'm running through my head, just the thought of you and me. I wonder what it's like, guess I'm never gonna see. And I can say some things that we're probably gonna be. I see you with the guy, now I'm feeling jealousy. God, I really like this girl, but she don't feel the same. God, I really like this girl, but she don't feel the same.